people think that being a Bigfoot researcher is a lot of fun and games, you know, just tromping around the woods looking for Bigfoot. But to really be successful, you have to be willing to put in the work. And putting in the work means a lot of preparation at home before you even go out into the woods. So what I'm doing now is I'm making a knocking stick. So a lot of these guys on TV, they just go out in the woods and they find any old stick and they use it to rap on a tree and think Bigfoot's going to respond. Bigfoot's smarter than that. You know, Bigfoot, in my theory, my hypothesis is that Bigfoot listens to hear a specific type of knocking that can only be replicated by wood that's native to the area and is the right type of wood. So what I have here is a moose maple, also known as a striped maple. These trees were revered by the Indians, the Abenaki people who lived in this area. They used to make their bows and arrows out of them. They used to use them to make handles for their tomahawks because they're such a strong, resilient tree. Interestingly, they also used the bark as a traditional medicine to treat everything from bronchitis to gonorrhea. So I think moose maple is the perfect tree to make a knocking stick out of. And what I'm going to do now is just whittle away some of this bark. It's one of the other good things about moose maple is the bark comes off nice and easy. Just to make it a little bit more comfortable for myself while I'm out there researching Bigfoot and knocking on trees. Okay, so now I got my knocking stick all nice and smoothed out, whittled down. You can see that's a knocking stick to be proud of. So I'm just going to give it a couple test knocks. I'm just in my backyard, so I don't expect to hear anything. But just to show you the difference between, you know, a quality Bigfoot calling stick and one you just find in the woods, listen to the sound of this knock. The other good thing is I can hit this tree as hard as I want and this is not going to break. So I could probably call in Bigfoot from miles away with this baby. Hear that?